Let's make apple cinnamon streusel muffins. In a small bowl, you're going to mix 2½ cups of all-purpose flour with a ½ teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Set aside after you're done mixing. In a large bowl, you're going to add 2 eggs and whisk those together. Next, add a ½ cup of sugar, a ½ cup of brown sugar, ½ cup of melted butter, a ½ cup of Greek yogurt, 1/3 cup of milk of choice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Go ahead and mix that together. Next, add your diced apples and mix that in. Next, go ahead and add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and mix those two together. Set that aside and then get your muffin tin out, and we're going to line it with some muffin liners, and then fill your muffin liners to the top with your mixture. They're going to look pretty full. After that, we're going to make our cinnamon streusel filling, which is a ½ cup of flour, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and go ahead and mix that all together. Next, you're going to add this on top of your mixture, and then you just want to press it down just a little bit so it stays in there. Bake on 350 degrees for 20 to 22 minutes. The full recipe is in the description below. Follow for more recipes.